Hey, today we're going to be showing you how Newton's 30 laws of motion work using this football. For the duration of any football game, a football is subject to all three of Newton's 3 laws of motion. Although we won't be padding up, through a simple game of catch, you'll be able to see how this football is subject to Newton's 3 laws of motion. Oftentimes, many students have difficulties visualizing and applying Newton's 3 laws of motion. Through this simple demo, we hope to eliminate that issue. Newton's 3 laws of motion relate directly to planetary motion in orbit. So, without further ado, let's get started.
Thread the needle, Abe. You see this football? Well, if I set it down on this desk, it will not move unless acted upon by external force, like wind or a quarterback acts on it. Likewise, if that quarterback, me, were to throw it, the ball will continue to move at a constant speed in a straight line unless acted upon by external force like gravity.
Or safety.
What you just saw right there was Newton's second law. The momentum of the ball was affected by a defensive player, or otherwise an outside force. The ball was going straight until it was acted on by the defensive player.
Touchdown! Well, that almost hit me in the face, didn't it? I should have kept in mind Newton's 3rd law of motion. Every force has an equal and opposite reaction. So every reactionary force is met with an equal and opposite reaction. As you saw, the force I exerted on the football when spiking it was re-exerted back onto the football by the earth and wound up almost hitting me in the face. Glad it didn't though.
All 3 laws right there were combined to help us understand about space. So one example was the planetary motions. Newton's law would suggest that planets would have just traveled in a straight line unless acted on by a different force. The different force was gravity, which pulled it around. That's what makes the central force. Another example would have been me. I'm going to stay still unless acted on by an external force.
Fumble!
Fumble!